Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
I am going to tell you the production and retro pay. Before going into that, I will tell you about I have showed you this. This is now. Go to Payroll. Payroll flow pattern. That's LBG. Conti. Payroll flow pattern. Task flow active. Okay, next. So this is the flow pattern multiple balances. I'm taking out the flow patterns. So this is a flow pattern that I have created for payroll calculation, pre-paid payment and multiple balances. Submit this right. Yeah. So we have submitted this. So now coming to what? Third party and third party organization payment methods. So third party organization payment methods is what you have to. We have to create a payment methods. To name them a few. How can we create a payment methods? Conti. Third party payment methods. Third party name is what? Cash or credit, whatever the party name that you have to write. Let me clear this. Check or cash. Okay, third party payment method means what is the organization name who's going to provide you the third party payment method. From here you going to get the payment right. Third party payment methods. So I'm going to search the payment method as this is the organization that is going to give you the payment methods. I'm going to give you the payment method, so it can be cash or credit. All certificate okay. Why it is not coming? Oh, it's not coming. So just keep reading it. It's not coming. Oh, oh. So it's created a third party payment method. It will not accept actually. All the things is required. This is required field. Cancel this operation. So third party, you create a third party payment method. Okay. XYZ attach the third party payment method to this third parties. Now create a third party. Create your own third party organization. That is an organization or it's a person. So create an organization. So put some bargaining association, create a third party organization and create a third party organization. Actions create. So address, you can write here as Dallas, Texas. Give it OK. OK. And write here as Dallas, Texas, submit name as let's put third party. Right. Write it down. Okay, now organization payment methods. You can take it from the OK. Submit it. So this is the way you can create a third party payment method and attach a third party organization and attach any payment methods over here. It will not accept until there's a payment method is there. And I don't know why it is not working. Why it is not working? I don't know. Okay, cancel. Go to the calculation one by one. I'll show you the relationship. Search for the person. Okay, you can get calculation card. So I have to create a calculation card for this person. I got the lead. So this is the calculation card. I'm going to create that. Okay, go to create actions create. Without calculation cards, the payroll will not run. So it is there to payroll or time cards. It is there to payroll, right? So right, here is payroll. Now calculation component details and triple calculation cards. So we can go to actions create. Not coming. Action. Association. So calculation card. As you can see, it is mostly related to. Okay. Oh, not coming. Anyways, let's see. Okay, that's all for today. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.